Before you get into this powerful content and this conversation, I need y'all to do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button on the channel, because that's the best way you're going to stay up to date with everything that's going on. Like, share, comment, review, and let me know what's going on, people.
There are trends. Then there are the people that they just show up and talk, and they don't do fancy editing. They just talk. They treat TikTok like stories. But here's what we all know. Facebook, Instagram, they don't like to be second. I'm not saying they're going to beat TikTok, but what they do know, and they're already doing this, is there's a lot about TikTok business owners don't like. And they're leaning in on that, and they're taking that and running with it. You're already seeing it. You are seeing them say to you, we want to make sure that our app is exactly what you want it to be. We want to let you be the person to create the app and the experience that you want. Because on TikTok, we see a lot of garbage we don't want to see, that we shouldn't see, our kids shouldn't see. Now Instagram is saying, no. If you don't want to see a certain type of content or something that offends you, you let us know. And they're making sure that they're helping us with our sales. I mean, just recently, the head of Instagram said that he's going to make it so that we can have subscribers on Instagram, so that we can promote our content to people. Even if our reach is low, they will get notified that you are going live or you just posted something, and you can even charge them. And he said they're looking at ways to take that subscriber list off the platform onto another website. Hello, like your email list? No other app has ever offered that. Now, it hasn't happened yet. They're just now testing the subscriber concept or subscription concept. But TikTok's not doing that. I'm not saying they won't, but I just see Instagram really stepping up because they see how they've lost a lot of people over to TikTok. And like I said, there's a lot about TikTok that I'm not a fan of.
No, and I hear you, and that's the thing. I feel like that app, and I'll say it, it's over-sexualized to a degree, as far as like a lot of the dances and the health and fitness, and that's a whole other topic for another day. And I'll say this, I think between Facebook and Instagram, I feel like once they come up with the update that they're going to be doing, I think it's going to change the game on a lot of things. Right, you see it with social audio, with Clubhouse and Spotify, Green Room, and all these different apps. We already know, everybody knows the juggernaut, the alpha male of the species is Clubhouse. But I feel like once Facebook comes into this space, everybody's gonna have to change up. And if you don't change up, you're just gonna, and that's game over.
Yeah,
you're just gonna drown in the water, right? So. No, I like that. And I feel like the biggest thing is the monetization aspect. I feel like we didn't really get into that, but so many people get into this content creation age to want to get monetized from the jump. They want a shortcut. Can't do it. Me and you both know this. You cannot do it. That's why I'm taking so long to create my course. You know what I mean? Because I want it to be tailor-made to the right people. You know what I mean? So when we get into this content creation aspect, right? If it's shooting these videos and sponsorship and this and that, you got to put the work in, got to put the reps in, you know what I mean? And not too many people want to do that. They want a shortcut, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's just how life is.
it hurts you so much when you take the shortcut. You don't really push through the fear and figure out how video is going to work for you. Because if I had not done that on TikTok, and I had a lot of mistakes and embarrassing moments, I wouldn't have jumped on Reels the day it launched. And if I had not done that, I wouldn't have grown my business. I mean, it was all God, but my course launched a week or 2 weeks after Reels. And very few people were doing Reels, but man, I was showing up every single day with them because I had already gone through that awkward stage and that fear. Not that I don't still go through it, but I was ready for it. I didn't hold back and think about it. I was ready for it. And you will be ready for it, for that next platform, for that next feature, for that next update on that app. When you just start doing it now and realize that it's always going to change. There's always going to be a new flashy app and a new flashy feature. So go ahead and get the dirty work done now so you're ready for it.